Jessica，新年最開心係咩啊？
咁當然係行運發大財啦。
嗱，咁參加以下落嚟呢個賀年活動嘅朋友咧，就有福氣啦。
點解咧？
因為佢哋揾到一棵搖錢樹咯。
呢一個賀年嘅活動咧係由本地一個地產商舉辦嘅，希望喺春節嘅期間與民同樂，所以一早就大排長龍準備入場啦。
Well, Concord Pacific is here today to wish everyone well with the Year of the Sheep and our Chinese New Year. That's the first thing we're doing. Secondly, we're inviting everyone to come down to our sales center to see all of our wonderful projects that will be released this year for 2015. We're also here to have fun and to wish everyone the best for Chinese New Year. We have prizes from $10 to $3,000 on our money tree, and we're hoping people will show our success. And finally, it's all about the appreciation of our clients and customers for the past year for 2014. So we're here, we're enjoying what we're doing, and we're just having everyone have a great time at our Chinese New Year Festival. So fantastic time to come down and enjoy the festivities for Chinese New Year.
佢哋仲精心策劃咗一啲應節活動，俾到場嘉賓參與添。
咁啊，我哋今日 Concord Pacific 嚟講都話咧，就安排咗好多節目俾我哋嘅業主同買家。咁所以嚟講，今日咧佢哋個個嚟講就排晒隊嚟呢度嚟列治文我哋呢個展銷中心嚟參加呢個新年活動。咁所以由佢哋排住隊嗰陣時已經欣賞到好多，我哋有啲超級跑車俾大家去欣賞喎。咁之後入到嚟之後咧，亦都有個樓盤嘅大尋寶啦。咁欣賞唔同嘅樓盤之後咧，兜個圈出嚟之後嘅，而家話個個喺周圍亦都喺度排隊喺個願望樹嗰度。祝個好新年嘅願望啦！除咗之外，都話亦都可以殺咗佢哋嘅新年大紅包嘅。我哋仲有安排咗好多着咗中國服裝嘅模特兒同大家影相添嘅。當然呢咁多節目之外嘅，仲有好多唔同嘅娛樂節目啊，好多唔同嘅嘢食等等咁樣嘅，所以今日非常之熱鬧啊！
哇！呢兩位幸運嘅朋友啱啱抽到3000蚊嘅現金大利是啊，真係恭喜晒啊！羊年一定行大運啊！
大會仲特別安排咗2隻彩色繽紛嘅醒獅助興添，呢對醒獅仲會跳 Gangnam Style 噃。
祝願大家有一個開開心心、豐盛嘅羊年！